Do you have some tile that needs repaired in your bathroom or kitchen? Maybe one piece or two pieces or 10 or 20? You don't need the whole thing done. You just need a few pieces fixed. Give Corey's Homework a call. We'll come out and get you taken care of immediately. Here's just a little video of some tile repair we did and some wall repair we had done recently. Check it out. We do all kinds of tile repair work. Don't forget to give us a call. We can come out and get you taken care of the same day in most cases. Any tile work repair that you need done, call Corey's Homework. We'll come out and get you taken care of same day.